Welcome to Blind Heroes, another exciting video. This one, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website using Docker containers. This is my favorite way now. Create a whole bunch of them, and you're very versatile. Easy way, and it's so easy. It just pops up right. You can have these up in 5 minutes. Brand new website. To be customized. Hello, my name is Lewis Wood, and I am a computer developer. I've been doing it for 30 years, development in computers. About 10 years ago, I forced to retire a bit while I figured out this accessibility option. Now I'm back. Accessibility is here, and it can be done. I'll be using a screen reader. And you'll notice on the screen here, I've already got a website created, blindheroes.local. Here, I'll show you the address bar.
http://blindheroes.local/.
See, blindheroes.local. The mirror of my website.
Main region. Article. Heading level 1. Welcome to Blind Heroes. Welcome to Blind Heroes website. Blind. Who is a blind hero? Well, that is any blind person that can accomplish tasks in a site a bit redundant, but still may find.
There you go. So I've done this and I have created this. Okay, first thing I'm going to need is I'm going to need that clone address. You'll have it in your YouTube video description, or you'll have it also in your the article. It will have the clone address in there, and it'll be in the README file. All right.
Lewiswood/WordPress-developer-doc.
I already got it open here on GitHub.
Control L.
That's the address bar.
Copied.
Here we go. The address bar is now copied. It is now in the clipboard. I do not need GitHub anymore. Okay. Now let's go to the command prompt and create the host. We're going to create is example domain.local.
Control Windows right arrow. Desktop 4. C:\Windows \.
Now I've already opened this command prompt. Not an administrative command prompt because I'm not going to edit the file. I'm just going to show it to you. The reason being is because I already edited it. I've done this video a couple times where I've got this version. All right, and I'm trying it again. All right, let's go.
CD space.
Okay, so CD, and I want to go
\.
/WINDOWS
Windows /SYSTEM32
System 32 drivers
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 and
etc. etc.
ETC.
There we go.
C:\Windows /system 32 /drivers etc. greater.
Yep, see, that's what I got.
Alt-R.
Okay.
Enter. C:\Windows /system 32 /drivers etc. greater.
See, C:\Windows system 32 drivers etc. This is where your host file is. Let's go ahead and open Notepad.
NOTEPAD period EXE.
This could be your text editor, whatever you want.
Space HOSTS period. Enter. C:\Windows /system 32 /drivers etc. greater. Host-notepad. Host-notepad. Edit. Contains text.
Now you see that we got the file there. Now I'm just going to look for local host, so I can go straight to it.
Control F. Pop up. Find edit. LOCALHOST. Enter. Escape. Number 127.0.0.1 log list. Edit. Contains text. Type in text.
See, it said the IP address 127.0.0.1. And that's the local host IP address. Okay.
Number : 1 log list. Blank. Number my host names. 127.0.0.2 blindheroes.local.
Yeah, I created another one, which has got a 2 instead of a 1 at the end, and that's Blind Heroes. There's only one space between the IP address and then what you want your domain to be, and I've got blindheroes.local.
127.0.0.3 fictionaluniversity.local.
fictionaluniversity.local.
127.0.0.4 exemplatodomain.local.
Now, that is 4, and it's got one space, and it says example domain. Although my example domain.local. Although my screen reader pronounces it kind of funny, but that's what I've got there. Okay. Once you have that file there, you just save it. Now I've already done the editing and I don't need to save it. It's already been modified. And remember, your command prompt has to be an administrative command prompt.
Alt F4. D:\Windows \system 32 \cmd.exe.
And now I'll close command shell.
E-X-I-T. Enter. Desktop. Folder view list.
Okay.
Control Windows left arrow. Desktop 3.
And I believe this is my GitHub repository.
Control L.
All right. Okay.
Lewislewood /WordPress developer Docker easy WordPress development with Control L.
Okay.
Copied.
Now I copied the address. All right. Which you'll have it in the descriptions, like I said, and you'll have it in the article, and it's in the README file.
Control Windows left arrow. Widget Lewis -i9:tilde/project/linheroes desktop 2.
Okay. Now I'm at my Ubuntu Linux command prompt. Now for me, I do projects.
Enter. Widget Lewis -i9:tilde/project/linheroes $.
Yeah, I'm in Blind Heroes because that's the website I launched that you saw at the beginning. I'll go ahead and leave the website running.
D space period enter. Widget Lewis -i9:tilde/projects. Widget Lewis -i9:tilde/projects $.
Now I'm wanting to create it at the same level. It's going to be example domain. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's do that. We do the git command, git
space
clone
CLONE space.
And then for me, doing a paste in Linux is Control-Shift-V.
Control-Shift-V. https://lewis/wordpress-developer-docker. Enter. Coding into WordPress-developer-docker. Remote enumerating objects
I'll save you some time.
Counting objects Alt-P.
Okay, the website has been cloned completely. And now I'm going to go change. First, I need to change the name of it because currently it's called WordPress-developer-docker. So I want to change the name to example domain.
MV space WORD.
That's all I need to type, and I press the tab key, and that'll complete the word for me.
Press -developer-docker/.
Now Linux uses the MV command
space
for renaming files. And then now I just type in what the new name will be.
EXAMPLEDOMAIN.
Okay. And now when I press enter.
Enter. Widget Lewis -i9:tilde/projects $.
Okay. Now it's been renamed. Now I just go into the example domain.
CD space EXAM. /.
There we go. I just press the tab key to complete it.
Widget Lewis -i9:tilde/project/example-domain. Widget Lewis -i9.
See, now I'm in example domain. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to rename that example environment file to a .env file because you need the environmental variables to be defined. So
E space MV space ENV .example.
Okay, the tab key, you have to type in env.
Space.
Now I'm going to rename it to a .env.
Enter. Widget Lewis -i9:tilde/project/example-domain $.
The Docker Compose will look to this file for variables. Okay.
NOTEPAD period EXE space period ENV.
Now I'm pulling it up in Notepad.
Enter. .env-note top IP equals 127.0.0.1.
First variable is IP, and it's got 0.1 as a default.
End. 1.
Now I'm changing the 1 to a 4.
4.
Now it's got the IP address as 4.
DB _root _ password equals password.
Now see, DB root _ password equals password. And that's the default. Normally I would change this, and I recommend you change it too if you're planning to keep the site. But I'm not going to be keeping this site. All right.
DB _name equals WordPress.
And then a DB name equals WordPress. I normally would go ahead and change that to like ED or for example domain or something like that. But I'm going to go ahead and leave it as it is for this exercise here. It doesn't matter what name you choose. You can choose it however you wish.
Control S.
Now I hit Control S, it saved it.
Alt F4. Widget Lewis dash I9 colon tilde slash project slash exemplar domain. Widget Lewis dash I9 colon tilde slash project.
Now I'm going to give you a quick look at Docker Compose file.
NOTE. CAD.exe. Space. DOC. Hey. dash compose.yml.
Now there you are, got the YML file. Now I'm going to pull it up.
Docker dash compose.yml.
Now when I go down, you're going to hear services. These are the services that are going to be running.
Number simply number. Version colon 3. Blank. Services WP colon. Image colon WordPress ports colon. Dash dollar left right side P right brace colon 80. 80 number change if required.
See, that's the variable that we defined there, which that variable will be replaced with the value that we put in that file earlier. That's why we did that. And it's got to go into 80. Okay, let's go down to the plugin development area.
Plugins dash number dash slash threads dash boilerplate dash log dash plugin colon slash r slash ww dash slash wp dash app colon slash r slash number dash slash threads dash boilerplate dash log.
There we are. Hear that number? Brad boilerplate plugin. This has come from Learn Web Code, a class that I did, and he created this. It's a React plugin. Basic WordPress with React built into it. It's got the scripts already done.
Space. Number dash. Space. Number.
Okay. The number is the comment field for this file. All you gotta do is press delete.
Dash.
Indentation is very important, but I happen to know that this is perfectly indented, so I won't bother with it anymore. If I was developing a theme,
number dash slash threads
I
dash
would uncomment the theme as well.
colon.
I would uncomment the theme.
WordPress underline DB underline WordPress underline DB underline user colon root. WordPress underline DB underline password colon quote depends underline on colon dash DB. Links colon.
It gets all the stuff from the variable, the root password and all that stuff.
Dash DB.
MySQL is going to need to know that.
Colon, image volumes colon dash slash WP dash app colon environment colon.
Now I created persistent volumes so that way they stay and you don't lose your data. Okay. Now I'll do Control S to save it.
Control S. Top number. This is the admin.
Now at the top of this file, you'll hear it says this is the adminer one.
Number simply number. This is the adminer SQL manager version.
Yeah, I like adminer to do my administration of my SQL server. The PHP myadmin is the other one. Word.yml.
Alt F4. Widget Lewis dash I9.
Like it says, you just rename it. Okay. Now that we got it all created, we're ready to go.
Enter. Widget Lewis dash ID O C K E R.
Docker Compose
space.
And then up
space dash D.
So it's Docker Compose up, and I do dash D for detached. That brings me back to command prompt. If I don't do the dash D, my screen reader will never shut up. It just keeps making noise. And now what I'll do is I'll pause the video while it's going so you don't have to sit through it, although it don't take too long.
Enter. Left bracket plus right bracket running 1/2. Dots 1 2 3 4 5 6 network exam domain underline default created 0.0 LP.
Okay, it is finished and it is now up and ready to go. So right now we'll go to the browser, which is the next desktop.
Control Windows right arrow desktop 3 Lewiswood / WordPress developer dash Control L.
And I'm going to go ahead and type it in there. Now the first time you do it, you'll want to type in the HTTP prefix because it might do a search in your address bar.
H.tt blank blank H.t tp colon slash p colon slash localhost colon 8080 select slash localhost colon e that domain dot local selected X.
And there we are. I got example domain dot local.
Enter exemplar domain dot local slash selected English left paren United States right.
There we go. Now it comes up immediately and it says my language. I'll hit the tab key.
WordPress single right pointing angle quotation mark installation. Continue button. To activate, press enter.
And I do the continue button.
Enter. Password edit. Crew ATTBTs nibble carrot right paren. Strong. Type in text. Strong. Password edit.
Now some reason it starts me off on the password field, so I always do a shift back a couple times.
Username. Site title edit. Type in text.
So the site title, I'll just call this
EXAMPL space DOMAIN space DEMO.
Example domain demo.
Username edit. Type in text.
Now I just give it a username.
LWADMIN.
Okay.
Password edit. Crew ATTBTs nibble carrot right paren.
And I'll give this the password of
LET. T very L blank blank blank. L very ET. MEIN 007 week.
Let me in 007. Well, it says it's weak. Why?
7 week, 0 very weak, very weak, 0 very weak, very weak. Period. 0, 0, weak, weak, 7.
There, now I got rid of that.
WordPress single right pointing angle quotation mark installation. Hide password button. To confirm use of weak password checkbox not checked. To check press space. Check.
Apparently it still gave me the check mark.
Your email edit. Type in text.
Now I just give it the email that I want to use.
LEWISLWOOD at GMAIL period COM. Search engine visibility group. Install WordPress button. To enter.
Now it's installing. This only take a moment. I got a pretty fast machine. And we'll have a WordPress site right away. It's going to open up. It's going to ask us to
WordPress
log
single
in.
right pointing angle quotation mark installation. It is up to search engines to honor this request.
Okay, see, once you start hearing that, my screen will start talking. Now I just hit the down arrow, and here we go.
WordPress.
Yeah.
Heading level 1 success.
Success.
WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Table with 2 columns and 2 rows. Username. Admin. Password. Your chosen password. Table end. Visited link login.
Now do login. I could have just hit the tab key and went straight to it.
Enter. Login link. Username or email address edit. Type in text.
All right.
LWADMIN. Password edit. Type in text.
What did I type in? Oh, yeah, let me in.
Star space. Star. 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 Login single left pointing angle quotation mark example domain demo WordPress. Show password button. To activate press. Remember me checkbox not checked. To check press space. Login button. To activate enter.
There we go. I should
Login
be
single left
logged.
pointing angle quotation mark example domain demo WordPress. Bullet password edit.
It says that, but that's because I got the thing. It wants to save password on that.
Main menu
Okay.
navigation region. Same page link skip to main content. Same page link skip to toolbar.
See, it already says that.
Main region. Screen options button collapsed. Help button collapsed. Heading level 1 dashboard. Link dismiss the welcome panel.
See?
Heading level 2 welcome to WordPress. Link learn more about the 5.9 version. Heading level 3 author rich content with blocks and patterns.
See? I've got all that configured. Now I can just add pages, post, and all kinds of stuff. And have my fun. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the website the way it looks as a demo.
Control L. Selected. Exempladdomain.local/wn blank.
Okay, I just go to the back end of the address, and I just do Control Shift so I can start selecting words.
Admin slash. Selected.
I did a left arrow button.
W key cache. Selected. Local slash. Selected.
Oops, I don't want local.
Local slash. Unselected.
There we are, unselected. Now all I gotta do is hit the delete key,
Blank. Exempladdomain.local. Press tab and enter to remove suggestion. 1 of 4.
and now I
Enter.
just press
Exempladdomain
enter.
Local slash. Selected. Exempladdomain.local dash Google Chrome.
Now I should be on the main page. And here we go.
Toolbar navigation region. List of 5 items. Link has pop-up menu about WordPress.
Now it's got the toolbar there. Let's just go straight to the main region.
Main region.
Okay.
List of 1 items. Heading level 2 link hello world. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it, then start writing. Link February 16th to list end. Main region end. Visited current page link example domain proudly powered by.
There we are. We got our WordPress website up real fast. That wasn't bad. I don't know, maybe that's a world record. And I'm still running.
Blind Heroes reaching new heights and proving what is possible.
There's
Side
Blind
of
Heroes.
Domain finds some power tips in this.
I'll show you that this site is still running.
Wrapping to top. Main region. Primary menu navigate list end. Link contact open menu but visited link all resources. Enter. Banner region. Primary menu navigation. Main region. Article. List of 31 items. Heading level 3 link American Council of the Blind. ACB works with government entities.
See, I got 2 different websites running. All right. Now,
Example domain demo just another WordPress site.
I'll go to example domain. Now let's go edit the SQL server stuff. That's easy.
Control L. Selected. Exempladdomain.local slash. Toolbar. Address insert end. Blank.
Okay.
Slash. Exempladdomain.local. Press tab and enter to remove suggestion. 1 of 5.
Now I get rid of the slash there because I got local. I'll see about the L.
L.
There's the L. I'll put the L back.
L.
Now we enter a port. Ports, you got to do the colon.
Colon.
Colon. And the port for the adminer is 8080.
080. 80.
Now I enter that.
Enter. Exempladdomain.local colon 8080. Selected. Exempladdomain.local colon 8080 dash Google Chrome. Proudly powered by. Table. Column 2. Row 3. Column 2 row 3. Username edit. Type in text.
Now the username is root. That's the root password for this for MySQL.
ROOT.
There we go.
Password edit. Type in text.
And the password is password.
Star. 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 Star.
I didn't change it.
Database edit. Type in text.
Now the database, I didn't change that either. So the name of that is
WORDPRESS.
I enter that. If you don't know the database, it'll still let you in with the root password. You just have to select the database then.
Login dash adminer. Login button. To activate, press enter.
But when you enter the database, it puts you right into the database.
Enter. Login dash adminer. Login button. To activate, press enter. Check passwords button. To activate, press space bar. Close button. To activate, press space bar.
That is Google Chrome. It's just telling me that the password is a very weak, super vulnerable password. And password is very weak password.
Alert. Save password. Save password. Close. Minimize.
Okay.
Linked MySQL. Database colon linked MySQL. Right double angle bracket. Linked DB alt +1. Right double angle bracket. Database colon WordPress.
You see? It's already started on the WordPress database. Now there's a table. I happen to know that there's a table on this page of tables because I got the database open. So I just hit T for table.
10 columns and 14 rows. Column 1. Row 1. Checkbox not checked.
And there's a table. And all I gotta do is do table navigation.
Checkbox not checked. Link WP underline comment meta. Link WP underline comments. Row. Link WP underline links. Row. Link WP underline options. Row 5. Link WP underline post meta. Row 6. Link WP underline posts. Row 7.
See? There's all your posts.
Link WP underline term underline relationships. Row 8.
Yeah, that's your taxonomy.
Link WP underline term underline taxonomy. Row 9.
See? So now you know how to edit your SQL and
Post. All
everything.
resources blind heroes dash Google.
And I got it on Blind Heroes as well.
Control Windows
So
left
it's all
arrow.
there.
Desktop 2. Widget Lewis dash I9 colon tilde slash.
Now I'm back to there, and now all you got to do to bring down your website is here. I'm back at the Ubuntu Linux prompt, and I'm in example domain folder, which is where I launched it.
Enter. Widget Lewis dash I9 colon tilde slash
And
project.
all
slash
you have to
editor
do
dollar.
is just type in
DOCKER space DOMPOSE space STOP. Enter. Left bracket plus right bracket running 0/0. Dots 124 containers and domain dash
There we
dash
go.
1 stopping 0.1s. Dots 124 containers and domain dash dash 1 stopping 0.1s. Left bracket plus right bracket running 0/2. Dots 456 containers and domain dash adminer dash 1 stopping 0.4s. Dots 456 containers and domain dash dash 1 stopping 0.4s. Left bracket plus right bracket running 0/2. Dots 456 containers and domain dash enter. Widget Lewis.
Okay. See, that went real fast. Now it stopped, and if I wanted to bring it back up, I don't have to use the up command anymore. I just use
DOCKER space DOMPOSE
Docker Compose start.
START.
And that's all you have to do. Docker Compose stop and Docker Compose start. And then it
Enter.
will start it.
Left bracket plus right bracket running 0/1. Dots 456 containers and domain dash db dash 1 starting 0.4s. Left bracket plus right bracket running 0/1. Dots 456 containers and domain dash db dash 1 starting 0.4s. Left bracket plus right bracket running 0/1. Dots 456 containers and domain dash db dash 1 starting 0.4s. Left bracket plus right bracket running 0/1. Dots 3456 containers and domain dash db dash 1 starting 0.
Yep, it comes up real fast and everything. Now, if I went into WordPress, I could go into the plugin and I can activate the plugin for development, or it's because it's Brad's plugin. You'll see it when you list the plugins. Just activate it and you're ready to go. All right, that's enough for this video. I don't want to make them too long. Stay tuned. I may do a Docker video, but you do need Docker desktop installed. And you need to enable WSL, Linux operating subsystem for Windows. You can do this on the Mac too. It does it. They have it too. So this is, I think it's the best way to do it. It's very handy, very quick. And that plugin that's inside this folder here, you can just make it into a GitHub repository, so you'll have version control and everything. Well, that's enough. Until next time, don't forget to click like and subscribe because that does help other people find my videos. Thank you for watching.